Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Do not dwell on the past, do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. A life is not important except in the impact it has on other lives. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Life is short, and we have never too much time for gladdening the hearts of those who are traveling the dark journey with us. Oh, be swift to love, make haste to be kind.